Ever found yourself with a persistent cough or a sore throat that just won't quit? It's a common problem, isn't it? These pesky ailments cause discomfort, disrupt your daily life, and are often tough to kick. Most of us reach for the over-the-counter medication as a quick fix. But did you know that nature has its own arsenal of remedies that can help soothe your irritable throat and calm that stubborn cough? So what if we told you there are natural remedies that can soothe your throat and calm your cough? Intrigued? Stay tuned. Ready to delve into the world of natural remedies? Let's begin with a favorite sweet treat, honey. But it's more than just a delicious addition to your tea. Honey possesses soothing properties, making it a natural cough suppressant. When consumed, it coats the throat, reducing irritation and thus the urge to cough. Next on our list is a spice known for its fiery flavor, ginger. But did you know that ginger also has powerful anti-inflammatory properties? Drinking ginger tea or simply chewing on a piece can soothe a sore throat, providing much-needed relief. Now, let's talk about a powerhouse of nutrients, garlic. Yes, it might give you a bit of a breath situation, but it's worth it. Garlic is known to boost the immune system, helping your body fight off infections that could be causing your cough or sore throat. Moving on, we have a remedy as old as time, steam inhalation. By simply breathing in steam from a bowl of hot water, you can alleviate congestion and ease a sore throat. The warmth helps to thin out the mucus, making it easier to expel. Last but certainly not least, let's not forget about hydration. Drinking plenty of fluids helps to thin the mucus in your throat, making it less irritating and easier to cough up. This can be particularly beneficial when dealing with a dry cough or a sore throat. Now that we've explored these remedies, let's summarize the key points. Time to recap our natural defense against coughs and sore throats. We've journeyed through the realm of nature's pharmacy, discovering remedies that have stood the test of time. First, we delved into the soothing properties of honey, a natural cough suppressant and sore throat soother. Then, we explored the antiseptic powers of saltwater gargles, useful for killing bacteria and easing throat pain. We also highlighted the benefits of ginger, a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant, and its role in soothing aching throats and quieting coughs. Let's not forget about the properties of warm liquids like herbal tea and clear broths, which can help to alleviate congestion and keep your throat moist. Remember, the magic happens when these remedies are used in combination. However, it's crucial to remember that these natural remedies are not a substitute for professional medical advice. Remember, when it comes to your health, every bit of effort counts. Subscribe to our channel for more natural remedies. Until next time, keep exploring nature's pharmacy for your health needs.